In a groundbreaking development for the Philippine Air Force, PAF, the acquisition of 12 additional FA-50 Fighting Eagles has been officially approved. Alongside this, plans are now in place to upgrade the existing fleet of 12 FA-50 Block 10 fighter jets to the more advanced Block 20 configuration. This monumental decision represents a significant leap in the nation's air defense capability and demonstrates the government's steadfast commitment to the modernization of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP. The FA-50 Fighting Eagle, developed by Korean Aerospace Industries, KAI, has proven its worth since it first entered service with the PAF in 2015. Known for its versatility, the FA-50 combines light combat functions with advanced pilot training capabilities, making it a critical asset for the Philippine Air Force. Over the years, it has become the backbone of the PAF's air combat operations, showcasing its reliability in joint exercises and operational missions. The additional 12 FA-50s will be of the Block 20 variant, an upgraded configuration that introduces cutting-edge technology to the PAF's arsenal. These new aircraft will feature advanced active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar systems, which significantly enhance situational awareness and target detection range. The Block 20 variant also boasts air-to-air refueling capability, extending the operational range of the aircraft and enabling it to perform missions over greater distances. Furthermore, it is compatible with a wider range of precision-guided munitions, including beyond visual range missiles, giving the PAF greater firepower and versatility in addressing various threats. In addition to the acquisition of the new FA-50 Block 20 jets, the approval includes an ambitious program to upgrade the existing fleet of 12 FA-50 Block 10 aircraft to the same advanced standard. This upgrade will involve significant enhancements to the avionics, radar systems, and weapons integration capabilities of the current aircraft, ensuring their compatibility with the new jets. By standardizing the fleet to the Block 20 configuration, the PAF will maximize the operational potential of its assets while ensuring they remain capable of performing a wide array of missions, including air interdiction, close air support, and maritime patrol. This decision comes at a time when the Philippines faces increasing security challenges, particularly in the West Philippine Sea. The acquisition and upgrade of the FA-50 fleet align with the modernization goals outlined in the AFP Modernization Program's Horizon 3 phase, 2023 to 2028. The expanded fleet will enhance the PAF's ability to patrol the nation's vast airspace and maritime territories, deterring potential threats and safeguarding national sovereignty. The FA-50's capabilities are widely recognized across the global defense community, with several countries, including Malaysia and Poland, also investing in this platform. Malaysia recently finalized its deal for 18 FA-50 Block 20 units, while Poland has begun receiving deliveries of its 48 aircraft. These acquisitions underscore the FA-50's reputation as a versatile and cost-effective fighter jet that meets the needs of modern air forces. For the Philippines, the expanded FA-50 fleet will not only bolster territorial defense but also strengthen the country's role in regional security cooperation. With advanced radar and refueling capabilities, the FA-50 Block 20 jets will enable the PAF to conduct extended-range patrols, respond to more sophisticated threats, and participate in joint exercises with allied nations such as the United States, South Korea, and Japan. This program also reflects an investment in the future of the Philippine Air Force. The collaboration with KAI will ensure the timely delivery of the new aircraft and the seamless execution of the upgrade program for the existing fleet. Moreover, training programs for pilots and ground crews will be implemented to maximize the operational capabilities of the FA-50 Block 20 jets, ensuring that the PAF is fully prepared to meet the demands of modern air warfare. Beyond its military applications, the FA-50 fleet will continue to serve in a variety of critical non-combat roles, including disaster response, search and rescue operations, and peacekeeping missions. Its versatility and reliability make it a valuable asset not just for defending the nation's airspace but also for addressing humanitarian and emergency needs. This latest development underscores the Philippine government's unwavering resolve to protect its sovereignty and enhance its defense capabilities in an increasingly complex regional security environment. The FA-50 Fighting Eagles will remain at the forefront of the Philippine Air Force's modernization journey, standing as a symbol of the nation's determination to secure its skies and assert its rightful place in the global defense community. With the doubling of its FA-50 fleet and the upgrades to its existing jets, the PAF is poised to soar to new heights, prepared to confront challenges and uphold the country's sovereignty with confidence and strength. This achievement marks a proud moment for the Philippines, signaling its readiness to defend its people, its territory, and its future.